Hey everyone, so I'm going to go over a super awesome tool that I used throughout all my actually both of my master programs and even my doctorate. And so this is a great tool that, again, I use specifically for referencing, and I always had to write in APA 7, and that is how most of all of your guidance, your sociology and your psychology courses should be following as well, because we do fall under that social behavioral science discipline. And so we're going to go over CiteFast just real quickly. And so in this case, I have already looked up an article on how to set and achieve your life goals published in the Psychology Today journal. And so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that link here. And you can see in here that I'm using a web page and APA 7. And so you will be using APA 7 from here on out. But sometimes your reference may be a web page, a book, journal, or maybe some other form of media, such as social media, web images, magazines, so on and so forth. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to go over the website. And so in this case, I put the link in here. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit the magnifying glass. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And so this website, CiteFast, did not recognize the journal, the article that I've used. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the author's information. So first initial, last name, Davis. I'm going to go back to the article, and it was published April 14th, 2021. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. The document title, again, is How to Set and Achieve Your Life Goals. So I'm going to copy and paste that title. Okay, and what's important is that I am not capitalizing every word in here. So I'm updating this. Life goals, there we go. Again, the website is Psychology Today. Okay. This material will not change over time. And so the URL is also in there. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Citation. So when you're doing your post, you can go ahead and use this, hit copy and paste, and there is your correctly formatted reference. Now, if you'd like to use your in-text citation, here's the guide for that. And you can see here that you're going to be using Davis 2021. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know.